In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect digital camera to phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which phone you have, either Android or iOS, doesn't matter which model, and regardless of which camera you have, you will be able to connect the camera to your mobile device. It is simple to do, and for this particular method, all that you need is a USB cable. So in this video, I'm going to show what I believe is the most convenient way to get this done. So grab a USB cable. Usually this will be done with a USB-C to USB-C cable, but of course any other connection type should work as long as you establish a connection between the camera and the smartphone. So plug one end of the USB cable into the smartphone, usually with the charging port, and then the other one goes into your camera, usually at the side. Once this is done, you will be good to go. If you go into the My Files app on the smartphone or you use any sort of file explorer application, you will be able to manage all of the files from the camera. If there is a pop-up asking for permission to transfer those files over on the camera itself, make sure that you approve it, and then you will be able to transfer them directly into your smartphone. It is simple to do and it should work with any camera model that you have. Now, if you want additional features like using the camera as an external webcam for your smartphone and so on, then you might need to download specific applications. And this is going to differ for every single camera manufacturer, so I cannot showcase all of them in this video. For example, if you have a Sony camera, you will have to download the Imaging Edge mobile app and then use that application to do remote shootings. Same with Canon, same with Nikon, and so on. So each of them is going to have their own way to connect to a phone wirelessly using an application, but because there are so many different ways to do it out there, I won't be able to showcase every single one in this video. But usually you will follow the instructions on the camera and download a specific application. So in this example here, SnapBridge for Nikon. So just follow the instructions either using a USB cable or by downloading the app, and you will be able to connect your camera to your phone. Now, before I end this video, guys, I want to highlight the fact that when I was checking the channel metrics, I noticed that 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us bring you the best solutions, just like in this video. So consider subscribing. I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.